Hello and welcome to the channel. I've got a little bit of a different one for you today. I ordered a print from Anna, that Star Wars girl. I'm gonna unbox and talk while I do it. I actually suggested this on a live stream of hers. Let's see here. It's in an envelope. Oh, come on. Oh, you bastard. There we go. Much easier. So this is a copy of her drawing of Revan. There's all her contact information for her channel and whatnot. But I actually suggested that she do Revan on one of her live streams. I don't know, that was over a year ago now, I think. I think that was in March or April of 2020. I can't exactly remember. But I figured it would only be appropriate that since I suggested it that I should purchase a copy of her print that she did. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, have a good one.